Hey, Tech24 fam. Today we're diving into the luxurious world of skincare with the Vital Luxury Bath Amp Body Kit Japanese Cherry Blossom Edition. This incredible set includes body lotion, shower gel, and fragrance mist, all infused with the delightful scent of Japanese cherry blossom. Immerse yourself in the perfect blend of luxury and comfort with this kit. It's the ideal choice for creating a home spa experience, allowing you to indulge in relaxation and rejuvenation for both body and mind. Who needs a fancy spa when you can bring the experience to the comfort of your own home? And with the holiday season just around the corner, this kit makes the perfect gift for your loved ones. Whether it's Valentine's Day, Christmas, or just a special surprise, this kit is a thoughtful and luxurious way to show them your love and well wishes. Not only is this kit perfect for everyday use, it's also a fantastic holiday gift for anyone who deserves a little pampering in their life. So why not treat yourself or a loved one to the Vital Luxury Bath Amp Body Kit Japanese Cherry Blossom Edition? Check out the link in the description to get yours today.